that we made together, buddy. I'm so sorry. I got it.
I'm so glad he did that. Oh my god. Yes. I was about to have a heart attack. That thing was so gross.
You cruel.
Monster. No, I don't really think I'm that much of a monster. I think I'm really nice. Really nice, you know.
But if you're nice, then why don't you
Become a villain. Villain? I'm not a villain. I'm just a watermelon eater. Watermelon eater.
Why are you on the Starship Enterprise in the first
World.
world?
One, that doesn't make any sense, and two, I didn't think there was going to be watermelon here, or else I would have quit my job like 20 years ago.
Great, and find a way to wrap it up.